G'day guys, today we're looking at a 2007 model VW Transporter or multivan. The engine's slow to wind over, or hard to start. I'm thinking battery, but we'll check the alternator and starter motor on the way to see what the cause is, and we'll do some voltage checks and go from there. Okay, so here are the symptoms. Put the key on, dash lights and that come on. Dash doesn't want to fire. It's close, doesn't want to fire. So we'll pop the bonnet and have a look to see what is going on. Now to put the bonnet on these transporters, down on the driver's side, up under here, you'll see the bonnet handle. So you pull it up, but you'll flip the bonnet, and then you go around, open the bonnet up and have a look. Okay, now to open the bonnet on these, straight up under here, you'll feel a little lever. So you pull that up, lift the bonnet up, there's that lever there for trying to disengage that latch there. And the camera on this side, and you'll see the little bonnet stay, which clicks up under there, and then your bonnet's up and ready to go. So what we need to do is we'll check the battery for voltage, and then whack a new battery in and see what happens. Okay, so you get the multimeter, turn your multimeter on. You want to go to volts DC, so I've got 20 there. You put that onto your negative like so, that one onto your positive. So it says 12.13 volts, but once we put it under load, we'll see what voltage we get then. Okay, so now we're going to do an under load test, which basically just try and crank the motor to see what the voltage drop down to. So as you can see, it dropped down heaps. So we'll whack a new battery in, and then we'll check the charge from the alternator. Okay, so whenever you're doing a battery in a car, always undo the negative terminal first, which you'll see on there, a little negative symbol. Now on that side there, you'll see the positive symbol just there. The reason for that is, if you happen to earth it out with the shifter you're using or socket, whatever, it's not going to short out wires, cook ECUs, burn out diodes in alternators. So always go negative first, and then your positive. It doesn't matter if you hit the earth, it's not going to cause any sparks or any damage. So we'll get this out now, we'll get a new battery in, and we'll give it a try. Okay, so we've stuck our new battery in there. It's a nice big one, this one, so get a bit more grunt out of it. So in reverse, positive on first, you can do him up. It doesn't matter, if you hit the earth, it's not going to cause any sparks. So get him up tightly, give him a test, that's good. Negative, put him on that. Again, tighten him up, if it stays on there for me. Give him a tighten like that. Alright, and now we can give him a try to see what sort of volts we've got, and cranking voltage and so on. So if we get our multimeter again, turn him on. Hopefully you guys can see that. Put him into the negative and the positive. So there we've got 12.24 volts. I'm going to start him up now and check what the alternator outputs. There you go, 14.27. Okay, there we go guys, that fixed the problem. No need to do any further investigation. Don't need to replace the alternator or starter motor at this stage, so problem solved. We can put all that stuff away, and yeah, I'll see you next video. Thank you.